Just a quick one today. If you want a faster way to do dot work, create a scatter brush. Sometimes I like drawing all my dots individually, but I don't always have the time. Making a scatter brush is a really quick way to get dot work done fast. Grab your pencil or brush tool. I'm going to use the pencil tool. Grab yourself a nice round brush. Then we'll go over to brush settings. There's a few settings we're going to be looking at here. Brush size. For this piece it's going to be about a 3, I think. Spacing we'll start with 1000%. Then we go to scattering. Also 1000% and turn on both axes. Let's see how that looks. If you've got a tablet, we're basically just colouring in and it scatters the dots for us. This is a bit sparse perhaps, so if we go to our brush settings again, we can change the spacing so they're a bit more dense. I think I actually need a larger brush here, so I'm going to try 5 pixels. I think that size suits the line art a little bit better. And yeah, it's a quick way to get dot shading in. Let's make this a little bit more dense.